Yeah. You look so cute, baby.
Want to see what Daddy brought home?
Yeah.
I was hunting.
Do you want me to go outside and check, or you want to spill everything here?
You can put it right here, buddy.
All right, because you're really wet.
All right, let's go. Put it outside, then.
You're so geared up. You need to get paid for this.
So, we went out fishing. I was swimming around in the water with my new fins, my spear gun.
Oh yeah, how was it?
The
How are your fins?
I didn't like them.
Oh,
They take way too much energy because they're so long.
And heavy?
I like using the other ones, smaller ones better. And then also that weight I had was made me too heavy also. So I'd rather just keep the regular weight that I had in the regular fins. Check this out, buddy. So,
what'd you catch?
as soon as I went down, I shot a fish for the S&C.
Oh my goodness. What kind of fish is that?
This is just some little mouth fish that I found in the weeds. I got this one as soon as I went down there. I couldn't resist shooting him. And then
Yes, he's like, I
I was
know.
swimming around for a while. I found this guy down there.
Oh dang, that one's huge.
Yeah, this is a pretty big one, huh? This is the...
He's long. That's cool. I wonder if we can tell the difference between he and she.
Yeah, this one's pretty big for his kind.
Daddy, feed me more.
What are you being weird for? Oh my god.
All right, hi, baby. Dad, look at Daddy. Just look at Daddy.
I don't want to be here anymore.
This is his mood. And all I want to do is find out your gender, and this is his mood. Instead of being excited and being on it with me.
I don't think this is a healthy option.
Baby, don't listen to Daddy. Daddy's just freaks out with doctors in general. And I feel that has a lot to do with this right now. I'm fine. We're going to find out what you are today. And I'm so excited. And Daddy needs to get excited too.
Quiero plátanos split. Banana split.
Hi, baby. We just got back.
I can't believe Gloria did this to you. I'm so sorry.
Your daddy's so drunk. Once he found out
It's
you
fucking
were a
crazy.
boy, he
Gloria
had to
took
go
me
get a couple beers to
some
celebrate. And
place.
look at him now. Look at your dad.
And they took
Look at your dad.
scans and images of you that were totally unnecessary.
Your dad totally did not want me to do this to you. He wants to protect you from everything so bad. But this is not a bad thing, so I'm not gonna let him make me believe that. Put a smile on that face. Baby just made me fart again. Does it smell?
Yep, smells good.
Daddy has to be in the fumes. He opened the window, but it stinks still. Baby, you made me really nasty gassy.
I just want to go to sleep and I can't. You stink so bad.
Oh my god. Look at how cool the clouds look behind you, babe.
Don't play with fire.
Okay, don't get that near me.
Professional. Like her.
Babe, point it out. What's it gonna do? Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, look at that. I like those.
Oh, you like that? Yeah.
My turn.
Now you want to hold one?
Yeah. Ready?
Sí. Lista.
Oh. Oh.
We need to see you with it. You know what? This is a good way for you to block your whole face, but see me at the same time. So if you were interviewing with somebody, you didn't want them to see you. And all you have to do.
Oh my god.
Make them look and talk to a little hole in the wall. Ooh, I like that shit in pieces, Nadia. You know what you like, huh? You like, huh? What were you? Claudia head.
Oh, hell no. Baby, stop eating like that. Oh my god. I love you. That's Tyler.
You remind me of a fish when I take it out of the water. I saw that big seal down there today. That was right where I dive at.
Daddy doesn't like his big pimple. But that's because he tried to pop it right now. No, it's not ready.
I want to tell Jack that you are going to have the best life that I can possibly give you here in this mountain cave. Until you grow up, you'll be here learning how to be the coolest man that I could teach you how to be. I mean, what's not to look forward to? Look at how cute young mommy looks right now. Aww. That's not nice. You don't lick people in their face.
Look at Mommy and Daddy have the same pimple.
She put it on me with her magic.
Just kept like maybe 100 pimples I've been getting with you, Jack. Look at these.
Put your hand up, yes. Go stand on this side, P.
What are you doing?
I'm gluing my spear to it doesn't fall off. Sometimes it gets loose. One time it fell off and I almost lost it. I don't want that to happen again. Stop looking at me! Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka.
This is pregnant Mommy fishing with Jack at 5 months. At 5 months in here. Look at baby Jack. Mommy's trying to catch a fish while Daddy's spearfishing. How did Daddy catch? Caught fish.
Babe,
Yeah?
my spear.